Today I'm going to show you 3 different methods to remove gum from your carpet. We have some gum stuck in the carpet. It's really kind of nasty. It's just stuck in there, can't get out. There are 3 different things we can try to do that. Option 1 is going to be ice. Option 2, peanut butter. And option 3, compressed air, like for your keyboard. Let's get started with option 1. Obviously, we're going to want to put this ice in a bag or a bowl or something. We're going to stick it right here in this Ziploc bag. This will prevent the ice from melting all over the carpet. There will be some condensation on the bag, however, it will be significantly less than if the ice cubes melted all over. Then, simply place that on top of the gum and let it sit for a half an hour or so. While we're waiting, we will go over here to option number 2. This option is the Skippy peanut butter. Now obviously you can use any form of peanut butter as long as it is some kind of a creamy peanut butter. And we're going to take a little bit like that, put it on top of the gum, and use your fingers to work that peanut butter in there. This is just a mess. Then we got to clean all that peanut butter out of the carpet. That's almost like we're making it worse than it is. But this is one of the top methods to remove it. I'm not having any luck with this. This is just ridiculous. Look at that. That's making more of a mess than it started, and the gum isn't even coming out at all. In fact, I think I'm working it deeper in. This is nasty. Let me try scraping it with the knife. Okay, so the peanut butter, see, the theory behind the peanut butter is the oil seeps in and gets worked into the gum, and it creates a gooey, globby mess that you can then remove. But I think this is kind of making it worse. You can see I got some, but that was just from the knife cutting it. Let's get rid of this peanut butter here. Okay, there's part of the gum. Get rid of that. Okay, but you see I still got some there. So the peanut butter method, that's a lot of work. And then I got all this mess around it. So I'm going to say right now, I do not recommend the peanut butter method. That's silly. It's just a mess. It's more of a mess than you have to deal with. Now they say to work this in and try to get rid of that gum residue, but no, that's silly. I'm not going to mess with that anymore. So on to option number 3. Method number 3 is the can of air. This is a really simple method. It's a little trick. If you take this can of air, shake it a little, make sure there's a lot in there, and then tip it upside down. And when you spray the air upside down, it comes out at sub-zero temperatures, or below freezing for sure, and it will freeze this like crazy. Sometimes it doesn't spray very well upside down or at an angle, so you kind of have to finesse it, but just spray the heck out of that. Be careful when touching, because that is really cold. This is frozen solid. You can hear that. Then you can take a knife, or we'll try a sharper knife, and just kind of scrape the gum right off. Look at this. That is the best method. The gum is off. How about that? In less than 30 seconds, the gum is 100% out of the carpet. Ooh, that is cold. 100% gone. It is out of the carpet. Sure, I got some ice there, but that's all right. Scrape that off too. All right. That worked super well. So that is right now the top method. Get some dust off and spray it on your carpet, get rid of that gum. It's gone. The carpet's still frozen. We're going to check that out in a little bit. Right now, let's return to the ice. It's been about 5 minutes. Still soft. We're going to pull that much out. Still some gum in there. We're going to leave this on for a half an hour and then come back. All right, here we are a half an hour later. The ice is a little melted, but not too much. And the gum is kind of hard, but it's really not that hard. You can't really hear it like you heard the other gum that we froze with the keyboard cleaner. This stuff, it's still kind of gooey, but it is coming off a lot better than the peanut butter. It's not quite frozen, but it is working. It's just a lot longer of a process than the can of spray. There we go. You can see there, that's the gum that's left from the ice after a half an hour. Now, if you left it on there for an hour or two, that might do a lot better of a job, but that's with that, and that's a half an hour of time sitting there. Here is the peanut butter. That is an absolute mess. You got gum all over the place. We got peanut butter all over the place. Now we got to figure out how to clean that out of there. And here is the other spot that we used the keyboard cleaner on. You can see there's just nothing left. Here's a little speck of gum there that we've got. Nothing. It's just completely clean, and that was done in less than 15 seconds. The best method to clean gum out of your carpet, clothing, anything is by far Dust Off keyboard cleaner. Here I am attempting to clean this peanut butter out of here and the leftover gum residue. This is just a nightmare. Don't use peanut butter on your carpet. That is a for sure. This is just silly. We got all this peanut butter in the carpet now. We got all the oil from the peanut butter stuck in the carpet on top of the gum problem. It seems like this is working pretty well to get it out, though. It's just a hard glob, though. It's all that peanut butter in there. But canned air to the rescue. All right. My fingers are freezing. Ooh. Get a little canned air. I put it on that other gum spot too. That's gone. But this peanut butter is just a nightmare. There we go. That looks a lot better.